So this is a 2015. Some things I'll point out real quick. PDR will remain with our upgrade on the 15. It's also got the backup camera lines. I'll retain those. If you're adding nav, this vehicle is challenging to as far as the antenna goes. So the only real spot for the antenna is up here under this left front speaker grill, which I don't have any documentation of, but if we have the time, I can try and pop this out. But basically this pillar has to come off, and then this grill pops up, and then the GPS antenna would sit up here under the speaker grill area. That's the only option for it. Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. Over here, we're gonna start with replacing the HMI, which sits on the left-hand side, and obviously the biggest challenge to this vehicle is that you're working on the ground because it sits so low. So make sure you've got something for your knees. And this seat is all the way back, so you really have not that many options as far as what you can work with. So just gonna get this panel out the way. As you can see, it just snaps out. Now my instructions talk about removing this lower sill panel here. I don't believe that's needed. I've gotten plenty of feedback on that. At the time I made the instructions, I just went by what GM says to do. They say to remove that along with a bunch of other stuff, which is not needed. HMI actually sits right here, guys, so you can sneak it out. Just a matter of getting down to it. And yeah, this is gonna should come right out. So just unplug the USBs. Probably the hardest one. And I'm gonna need a little bit of assistance getting this down. So a little trick here. Let me get light, guys. So I like to insert the harnesses back in. Gives you something to kind of wiggle the HMI back and forth gently. You don't want to do it obviously super tight. And she'll slide right out. Okay, so just gonna slide this right back up. Okay. So the biggest challenge with this is kind of working where you can't really see because this car is so low. So if I go ahead and fire this up,